It was in the moments I shared along the secluded black sand beaches of New Zealand that time seemed to stand still with my family. Each step we took left a lasting imprint, a snapshot of our adventure together. This joy served as the inspiration for this new color formula, beautifully capturing the essence of those monochromatic shores. When light plays off the delicate flakes embedded in this deep color, I hear the distant sounds of waves crashing, the wind across my face, and laughter from loved ones. When we're in tune with the moment, our senses truly come alive.